Hey folks, this is Mr. Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. I'm in the kitchen today making sauce and been sanitizing dishes. Here we are, I got a fermenting bucket coming out the sanitizer. I run the fermenting buckets twice because, to be honest with you, they get a little bit of a smell to them. So there's that. Now we got another batch coming in here. We pull the lid down and off it goes. I got these set on a long sanitation cycle. Actually, a minute is all that's required. But because they've had fermented goods in them, that one I just put in actually had honey and garlic ferment in it. They smell pretty high, so I'm running them on a 6-minute cycle. You can see that black dial there on the right. We're currently at 148 degrees, gonna run a 6-minute cycle. It'll then rinse at 175 degrees. We'll pull them out and they'll be clean as a whistle. Now we got another load finished. That one you saw us put in just a minute ago, it's finished the 6-minute cycle. It's rinsing, so we open up the machine and slide it out. And this is 2 cycles for these fermenting devices, so that's all we need to do. This is the only commercial fermenting container I use. It's one of those E-gen things. It's got the pressure plate you push down in it. And the only thing I use it for is fermenting garlic and honey. Honey is particularly difficult. If you put in the buckets I typically use, if you put a large plate or heavy plate in it, oftentimes the honey will cause it to float and the garlic will still come to the surface. But this pressure plate in the E-gen keeps it down. But anyway, that's a side point. There we go. That's how we sanitize our fermenting buckets and all the other utensils. This is a great and easy way to do it. And folks, I want to thank you, and we'll see you next time.